is you can actually back in to interest rate, you can back into your N, you can back into your payments. All you have to do is fill in the other variables to do so. So let's go ahead and let's take this same scenario, but let's flip it around. Let's say we want to find interest rate. We have our present value. So let's label this Q3. We're looking for interest rate, okay? We have PV, which is 18368.61. We have our future value, which is 27384.52. We have our N, which is 10 years. And we have our compounding period, which is 12. Okay, and our interest is what we're looking for. So let's go ahead and let me just show you actually what we could do is we could put in, well, we have that data stored, so let's clear it out. It would calculate it, but you wouldn't see any difference because it's already there. So let's clear it out so that you can see the difference. And let's go ahead and let's put in our 18368.61. And remember, one of these has to be negative. Let's make that our present value. And let's go ahead and put in our future value, 27384.52. Okay, so again, one's negative, one's positive. We can even, if we wanted, we could just put 0 payments there because that's what it'll default to. We're looking for interest per year. We have our payments per year there, 10 shift periods per year. If you just went 10N, what would it do? Okay, it wouldn't account for the periods per year. So that's why you have to do 10 shift X PYR. And then what you do is you just select the interest per year button, I-YR, and it gives you your interest rate. So, let's now back into our periods per year. Okay, we're going to do payments. You know, we're going to do 12 payments per year. Let's hit clear shift, and our interest is 4. Our PV is going to be 8368.61 negative present value, 0 payment if you want to just make sure. And then we're going to go 27384.52 future value, and we're going to solve for N. Gives us 120. So if you're missing a variable but you have all the other details, you can back into the variable that you're missing or want to figure. And that's the cool thing about the financial calculator. Now what you can do is you can take this, what you found here, and you can use Excel to back up your calculations, or vice versa. You can find it in Excel and then revert to the financial calculator to double check your Excel formulas. That's the beauty of learning these two tools, is you can check your information. And that's absolutely critical when you're running numbers. If you don't get exact numbers or nearly exact numbers, because sometimes the decimals will be slightly off, then you know something's wrong and you need to go back to your calculation and figure where the deficiency is.